What is up, guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to one of the final episodes of the Custom Tuono series. You know the drill. We've been customizing this bike, and we're going to be giving it away. Actually, December 7th here at Ducati Santa Barbara. We're going to be having a giveaway on Saturday around 1 p.m. All are welcome to come down and watch us choose the winners live in person. And then, of course, we'll have a video of it afterwards. You still have one more chance to be entered to win this bike. Patreon.com/Campisi Customs, the first link in the description below. Today we're going to be finding out the weight of this bad boy, and we're going to throw it on some scales and find out how much weight we saved. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, so before we push this bad boy onto the Intercom wireless scales, I want to remind you guys what this weighed in stock form. So in stock form, it was 470 pounds. So 470 pounds, I just put a full tank of gas in it, so just a couple of miles down here, which was just how it was when we were at the beach the first time. Guesses, what are we thinking weight-wise? 438 teens? Is it closest without going over, or just closest? I think just closest. Forget Rory's BS.
437.
437? I'm gonna say 435.
Oh, and Rory's was like 420
What did Rory say? Where is he?
Plus.
Let's find him. All right, we found Rory.
420.
420? Okay, so I had 435.
420.
He was 420. What did you have?
437.
437? 438. Wow, okay. Shit, let's find out. All right, so we're gonna set all these scales down. They're all wireless intercom scales. This is what we use to weigh all the bikes. We're gonna set them all down, zero them out, and see where we're at here. Teens is our official scale person.
There you go.
All right, 0 pounds, and then if I push on this a little bit with my foot, 5 pounds, 25 pounds. Okay, cool. Actually, should we have you stand on here and make sure that they're accurate? What do you weigh, like 98 pounds?
No. 20.
Let's see. With all your stuff on, I say 123 with all this shit on.
Oh, I've gone up.
124.
124.
Okay, cool.
I'm a fatty.
It's because you're. It's because you're wearing. It's because you're wearing all this stuff. Oh, hey, it was Teen's birthday yesterday, so.
That's why I'm heavy, because I ate and drank so
Dude, all of us were out last night drinking. This guy, I don't even know how he's alive back there. Wish her a happy birthday in the comment section below. Make your guesses on what you think this is gonna weigh, and we'll get it up on the scales. Okay, is it gonna move? All right, ready? Yeah.
Step on that one, teens.
We need someone to step on it.
I got you.
Let's
My
not
little
run
foot.
over Teen's foot. We really need ramps for these.
Is it against the tire?
All right, ready? Okay. We're on these two.
And now we just gotta get the
Slide this guy under it.
kickstand.
Perfect. All right, so we have it on the scales. We got one in the front, one in the back, and then one for the kickstand. You can see right here.
Wow.
Christina,
Oh.
what is the final number?
Rory, what was your guess?
420.
420?
435, 437, 438.
Yeah. What do we got?
428 pounds.
Holy shit!
Rory, you win.
Without going over.
Without going over.
You dirty bitch! The drunkest guy here wins. 400
That's
and
a lot more than I expected.
okay, so 428 pounds
Yeah.
and 166 horsepower.
Yep.
Brian, don't you think that makes this one of the lightest and fastest street legal Tuonos?
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
I've never heard of a Tuono coming anywhere close. Because I always put these titles on these videos and everybody bitches and moans that that's not the case. Brian has seen a lot of bikes. I've seen a lot of motorcycles.
It's over 40.
Rory, don't you think too?
What?
Don't you think 428 pounds for a Tuono? Don't you think that's one of the lightest Tuonos? Street legal?
It's impressive.
Right?
What else?
Yeah. So there you go, guys. I'm calling it the world's lightest and fastest street legal Tuono.
428.
That's insane. Big ups to Brian for all his hard work on this project. Yeah.
That's a lot of weight.
And then of course we got most of these, pretty much every part from Manny at Moto Million. So if you guys are interested, you can always check out the links in the description below.
42 pounds?
Holy shit, is that 42 pounds? 42 pounds of weight savings. That's insane. All right, Preston just finally came out here. What do you think it weighed? 470 stock. It was 470 stock.
436.
Wow, 436. You said 436.
435, 436, 437,
Yeah.
438.
And 420, he said.
420.
Guess what it was? He said 436.
Oh, 430. Sorry.
Yeah. 428. Look, it's still on the thing. Well, now you're leaning on it. Yeah.
There.
How crazy is that? So how did we get to that weight savings? Roughly, some of the biggest things. Full Akrapovic titanium exhaust was 12 to 14 pounds. The wheels saved us about 10 pounds. The battery was like 8 pounds. And then obviously like fender eliminator, getting rid of the huge stock mirrors, all the little weight savings, the Brembo nickel plated calipers, the T-drive rotors from Brembo. Yeah, I mean the rear brake from braking, even the chain and sprocket saved weight. The rear sets weighed less. I mean, there's so much on this thing. It's, I mean, all kinds of carbon fiber parts that we replaced the plastic with. And yeah, the list goes on and on and on. So freaking insane. So there you go, guys. That's gonna do it for this episode. Again, our custom Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory officially weighs 428 pounds, and it did 166 horsepower on the dyno, which makes it one of the world's lightest and fastest street legal Tuonos, and I could not be happier. So again, you have one more chance to be entered to win this bike. You can sign up on the Patreon page. It's patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's the first link in the description below. Huge shout out to the Ducati shop here in Ducati, Santa Barbara. We're going to be giving this bike away, choosing the winner December 7th. Saturday, we'll be down here. All the information will be in the description below. And huge thanks to Manny from Moto Million for supplying us with all these incredible parts. And you can always check out their stuff at motomillion.com. You can use code Campisi to save yourself some money. That's going to do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for one more episode, and I'll see you guys.